When I am hungry, I eat food. When I am tired, I go to bed early. When I am cold, I wear a jacket. When I am hot, I turn on the fan. When I am happy, I smile and laugh. When I am sad, I listen to sad music. When I am bored, I use my mobile phone. When I am busy, I work alone. When I am angry, I shout. When I am scared, I cry. When I am excited, I talk a lot. When I am nervous, I walk in circles. When I am lazy, I sit on the sofa all day. When I am late, I walk fast or run. When I am early, I wait outside for the person. When I am ill, I rest and take medicine. When I am clean, I feel nice and fresh. When I am quiet, I read on my own. When I am kind, I help my friends. When I am mean, I say sorry to the person later. When I am fast, I finish quickly. When I am slow, I take my time. When I feel young, I have a lot of energy. When I feel old, I sleep a lot. When I am healthy, I do a lot of exercise. When I am thirsty, I drink water. Now I have 3 questions for you. What do you do when you are lazy? What do you do when you are angry? And what do you do when you are hungry? You can write your answers to these questions in the comments section and I can correct them. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and to like this video.